Royal Enfield Classic 350, the best motorcycle. In a resounding celebration of timeless design and exceptional engineering, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 has been named the best motorcycle of the year. Loved by riders across the globe for its perfect blend of heritage styling and modern technology, the Classic 350 continues to capture hearts and roads alike. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is more than just a motorcycle, it is a symbol of nostalgia, craftsmanship, and enduring appeal. First launched in 2009, and completely revamped in 2021 with the J-platform engine, the bike has seen consistent improvements that cater to both new and seasoned riders. Its charm lies in its simplicity, retro aesthetics, and smooth performance, making it a favorite for city commuting, weekend rides, and even long-distance touring. At the heart of the Classic 350 is a 349 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, aero-cooled engine that produces 20.2 brake horsepower and 27 Nm of torque. It's not the fastest bike on the road, but its focus is on a relaxed, comfortable riding experience. The engine is smooth, refined, and paired with a 5-speed gearbox that offers seamless gear transitions, something previous generations of Royal Enfield bikes struggled with. The bike's design is a modern interpretation of post-war motorcycles, complete with a round headlamp, teardrop fuel tank, and generous chrome elements. Despite the retro look, the Classic 350 features modern touches like a digital analog instrument cluster, USB charging port, and dual-channel ABS. Its new twin downtube chassis significantly improves ride quality, cornering stability, and comfort, addressing concerns that long plagued the previous model. What sets the Classic 350 apart in 2025 is its incredible versatility. Whether you're a first-time rider, a seasoned enthusiast, or someone returning to motorcycles after years, the Classic 350 feels welcoming. It comes in a range of color options, from the stealthy gunmetal gray to the bright signals marsh gray, allowing riders to reflect their personality through their machine. Additionally, Royal Enfield has maintained an affordable price point for the Classic 350, making it accessible to a wide segment of riders. In India, its largest market, the bike starts at around 1.9 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, and its global pricing remains competitive, making it an excellent value proposition. The motorcycle community and industry experts have unanimously praised the Classic 350 for maintaining its vintage identity while making thoughtful modern upgrades. Sales have remained strong in both domestic and international markets, with demand particularly high in Southeast Asia, Latin America, and parts of Europe. In a market flooded with feature-heavy sport bikes and high-tech adventure machines, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 stands out by staying true to its roots. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an experience, a reminder that riding is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. With its elegant design, reliable performance, and unmatched charm, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 truly earns its place as the best motorcycle of the year.